Oh, hi there, everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl, Norleen, with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you another authentic Jamaican meal. All right, family and friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be doing some goat meat soup. So basically, I am cleaning the tripe and I have a half of a goat leg people that chop up, and I will add this to a pot in some water and scald for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, guys, after scalding, I will rinse this and place it in my instant pot. Now, let me welcome my new subscribers to Wim's Kitchen. This is Jamaican Caribbean food, just a blend of foods that I love and I'd learned to prepare from my mom, and I just thought best to share it with you. So, guys, to the goat meat, I will add some carrots, some garlic, some pimento leaves. It's just about enough water to cover the goat meat, cover and pressure for about 20 minutes. If you are celebrating a birthday or any other extra special milestone, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen. Now, guys, in another pot, I am cooking about a kilogram of chopped pumpkins, and after cooking for about 10 minutes, I will then add to that my dough. Now, guys, may have some round dumpling and I have some long dumpling, what we call them spinners, people. Yes, so bad with the spinners. I'm gonna add to that some yam and potatoes, and I'm going to add, of course, some sliced green bananas. It's optional if you don't want the green bananas, but goat soup can't be goat soup without the green bananas. So we'll cover this to cook for about 10 minutes. Now, people, this is how it look like. Now, remember, it's efficiency in the kitchen we're dealing with. So while the goat meat that go and cook, may I cook up the bananas and dumplings in the pumpkin. So it's time to combine them. I'm gonna add all the dumplings and carrots and potatoes and everything with the goat meat, guys, and I am going to add this, stir it all together. Now, people, if only you could have smelled the ram goat here. People, see it there. I'm gonna let it come to a boil, and then I will return to season up the pot. All right, guys, so I'm using 3 stems of scallion, a sprig of thyme, and some pimento leaves. I'm going to press that, and then it's time to add it in the pot. So, guys, I've added a Scotch bonnet pepper whole. If you want more spice, it's up to you to cut your Scotch bonnet pepper. And, guys, it's time to nice up the pot. I've added 2 cock soup. You can choose pumpkin noodle soup, whichever you want. Add to that some cracked black peppers, some dry herbs, whatever herbs you like in your soup, do your thing. A teaspoon of salt to taste. Stir well and cover to cook for 5 minutes. Now, people, after 5 minutes, yo, that soup, yo, bad. It looks good, it smells good, and I'm sure it is inviting. I will add to that a tablespoon of butter, and people. The food for thought comes to us today from Psalms 139 verses 7 and 8. Where can I go from your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I go to the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in the depths, you are there. This is just a powerful reminder of the omnipresent, omniscient God that He is. He will never leave nor forsake you. So, family and friends, after 5 minutes, the soup is all done. See it there with goat soup, guys. Rich, thick, smells good, tastes good. Can't wait for dive in good. It's awesome. I'm so glad that I was able to share this with you. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. Give me some thumbs up. Let me know that you're enjoying my video. Now, people, remember to share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe also. Turn on your post notifications so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. And leave your comment in the comment section. Please follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen and like my Facebook page at Walking in My Mother's Shoe. Thank you for staying with me in the kitchen where I did for you cooking Jamaican style. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week with another awesome Jamaican meal. Wim's doing it for you whimsically good.